This is a full retro emulation console I built for under $25. Yes, you can emulate on your phone, but this is about having a dedicated machine. Modern phones are way more powerful than this old Raspberry Pi, no question. But a phone doesn't feel like a console. This does. Unlike a phone, it boots straight into RetroPie, no distractions. You can hook it up to a TV, it supports real controllers, both wired and Bluetooth, it supports local multiplayer, and with this built-in screen, you can take it on the go. You know, sitting down and playing on this little tiny screen just feels so authentically 90s. It's brutally simple. A Raspberry Pi 3, a micro SD card, an SPI display, which came with a case, and a USB or Bluetooth gaming controller. Now for part costs. I got this Raspberry Pi 3B for free off of Facebook Marketplace with a bunch of other junk. But these are available right now on eBay for about $25, though if I were going to pay money for one, I would look out for at least a Pi 4 just for that added performance. This micro SD card I bought came in a 3-pack for $16.99, so it was just under $6 for the 64GB card, which is kind of wild to think about. The screen and case combo was $18, with the 10% coupon applied, and this USB controller I've had for over a decade, so I have no idea how much it costs. But simple USB gaming controllers, especially for retro gaming, can be had as cheap as $5 each brand new. So all in, this cost me a grand total of $24.46. Now, I know a lot of you will say that feels a bit like cheating, because it is. But if you don't hoard old electronics like I do, and you bought the parts to make this yourself right now, it would cost you something like $55. Though that could be less if you find a good deal on a Raspberry Pi on the used market, since that's the bulk of the cost. Still, this is way cheaper than most of those off-the-shelf retro consoles, and you can customize it however you want. Now, since this is a Pi 3, it does great with the 16-bit era games, though it really can struggle with anything newer than like a Nintendo 64. Could you do this on a phone? Absolutely. Is your phone more portable and more powerful? Definitely. But this turns gaming into an experience, and I built it myself. Sit down, hand someone a controller, and either game on this tiny little screen or on a TV. No notifications, no touch controls, just fun. And yes, it runs Doom. I'm actually going to be using this computer in one of my upcoming videos, so be sure to like and subscribe and check that video when it comes out. Thanks.